All right, let's finish with the, let's pick up where we left off, and let's take a look here. So we've pulled up, we had the 3-day. The 3-day is, this kind of looks like a falling wedge here, which is bullish, but then it flipped into a rising wedge, which is bearish. I want to pull up the 1-day. There we go. The 1-day chart is not good. So inverted, this is a big hammer candle. This was very bearish. We did get the fallout here on the daily. So we are a lot more bearish on Litecoin right now than we are on Bitcoin. There's all the support is above right now on Litecoin. Let's run this down to the 12-hour real quick. Ooh, danger on here. So this is about to close and reopen in about 40 minutes. It's going to close and reopen lower than the 7 and the 30. This could then start to move into a death cross for Litecoin. I would keep an eye on this if you are any long Litecoin positions. This is dangerous. I would, if you're going to play a long position right now, looking for the long play on BTC for that golden cross is a lot safer. This is just extremely bearish on right here. Yeah, let me pull this up. All right. Ooh, man. Wow. Yep. So, yeah, let's be really careful playing all of these positions here. Look at, there's EOS falling out, and I still have a good portion of my short open. So I still have a portion of my short open. I was waiting for that golden cross on, I'm actually waiting for the golden cross on the, oh, look at that. The two lines are, the Tekken is coming together, and give me a second here. Let me take a look at this. All right, watch out. Wow, look at this right here. That's crazy. That's a pretty crazy setup right there. On the 12-hour Ichi cloud. Watch out for this. This is looking very bearish. It's looking bearish to me. I'm not really that versed in Ichi. I have very limited knowledge. I use it to the best of my ability. Okay, here's our back to our 12-hour. Once again, looking to break below the 7. And I told you this already. This can come down. And this, if this crosses over, we're just looking to play this right back up, okay? All right, so this is where we're at. We're just looking to play the golden cross back up for a bounce. I'm very tentative on how strong this cross will be, okay? And let's look at Ethereum. Let's pull up our Ethereum chart, and whoa, not good on the 4-hour. So the 4-hour, watch out on the 4-hour. This will be setting up for a death cross. And so we just take a look at that. Look at the support on the 50 right there. So BTC is just falling out of the sky right now. Yeah. See where we can find our support levels. So you can see that it's trying to hold on the 50 MA right there. And there goes Bitcoin. Wow, there it goes. That's awesome. Pull up our charts here. There it goes. Bubble chart has it rolling over. Bubble chart has it rolling over. Now watch out. This is the bounce zone. So it's headed down to try to catch the bounce zone right here. And looks like we bounced off of... so here's our Bitcoin right here. Came down. This is not land. This did not land on substantial support. There is a little bit of support right here. You can see it right here. So there it is, right? Let's call that right there. So this purple line, you got a wick, almost a wick. You got two bodies, and we're just. This is very, very weak support right here. If this does continue to fall, like I said, so if you go back, look at that, 66.20. So if you go back to my chart, and let's see if we can pull this bad boy up. Here you go. So if you go back to my chart, I was looking for support right there below 66.20. And there it is, 66.20. Oh, we're almost there. So the support is sitting right just a little bit below it. Let's be very careful. Support is actually down at 66.05. So it has a little support down here at 66.05. Let's watch this. If this closes or reopens, it could bounce down lower. But now, if you are playing this, I would be very, very, very careful playing this. I would be looking at a, all right, so look at that, came down on our daily on the bit stamp and perfectly tagged us right on the 7MA. Perfectly. So on Bitstamp, we came down right to 66.24, 66.22. So we're sitting right here on this, just holding it. That's all that's holding this up right now. So let's watch out. Let's just make sure that we are playing this this 12-hour as a this 12-hour, here it is right here. Let's make sure we're playing this 12-hour as a scalp right here and nothing else. Okay, that's all you're doing. Wow, some wicked, wicked candles right here on BTC. I love it. All right, so our longs are starting to fall out. Like I said, we should be expecting a long squeeze here at some point. I'm completely expecting a long squeeze, but not with this golden cross. I want to see this golden cross happen. I'm telling you, we can still get a little pushback up. Just like I said in the last just a few minutes ago, this can fall down. You can get a little bit of pushback up. If this, once this passes though, then we'll see. It'll be very weak. Once these two MAs are not there directly together to support the price, it then becomes weaker. See, it's easier to break through MAs when they're separated. That's when it is easier no matter what direction you're going in. It's super hard to break through them when they're together. All right, so great. I love all the action we're getting. This is awesome. And let's take a couple questions.